For many people, especially people who are into watches, the most visible Blancpain model is the 50 Fathoms. It's an excellent watch, make no doubt, but it's also not the only arrow in the brand's quiver. Sometimes you want something a little more refined on the wrist, and for times like that, we would suggest checking out the Villeret family. Villeret takes its name from the village where Blancpain was born, and speaks strongly to the brand's history and aesthetics. The collection is defined by design codes such as a double-step case and distinguished Roman numerals. And while Villeret is well regarded as a pure dress watch, it's a family full of rich complication as well, with some of Blancpain's most complex movements like their tourbillon carousel and perpetual calendars finding their way into these refined cases. The watch we're looking at here though is not quite that technical, but it does add a little bit of complexity and exceptionally user-friendly features into the mix. The GMT is often billed as a traveller's companion, but it also works exceptionally well if you need to regularly keep track of another time zone, which, in an increasingly globalised world, is more and more likely. Either way, the Blancpain Villeret GMT date is well equipped for the role. In a well-sized 40mm case in red gold, there's also a steel option, with an opaline dial, it nails everyday elegance. It's also a very wearer-friendly watch, legible with local time being indicated by the applied Roman numerals, and home time on the red tip GMT hand indicated via a 24-hour scale. The date is discreetly placed at 3. All these functions are adjusted via the crown. The 5A50 movement on this dressy number is quite impressive too. From the visuals, there's a nice honeycomb guilloche treatment on the rotor, and on the technical side you're looking at a very decent 100 hours of power reserve and a silicon hairspring, all finished off with a refined 22mm strap in brown alligator. The Australian recommended retail on the Blancpain Villeret GMT date is $26,300. If you like what we do, like the video and subscribe to our channel.